I look so weird. Kakulay ng walls ko yung hair ko. Hi everyone! So for today's video, I will be doing a GILTBOX unboxing. And yes, my GILTBOX is broken. But I think dahil lang dun sa delivery siya nasira. Pero that's okay. We can look past through that. But let's see what's inside. So, there are two things that wasn't inside. Nandun siya sa inside ng plastic pero nasa labas siya ng box. So, these are the two products. Ayan. We have Mighty Bond, which bibigay ko to sa mom ko kasi kailangan niya to. And then next is the Pioneer Clear 5 Epoxy Syringe. Yan. So, parang pangdikit din siya. So, iniisip ko nga baka ano to eh, pang-ayos ng GILTBOX natin. So, kailangan daw natin i-glue para umayos ulit. Joke lang. What's inside this one, this broken GILTBOX? Okay. So, it just has my name since buy one take one nga. One is for my friend. It's the card. It says, best year yet. Well, this is the first box of the year, so, yun. Oh, by the way, they told me na yung December and January box is combined. So, parang mag-a-add na lang ng other month. So, until September 2018 yung box namin. Yung one year subscription will be until September 2018 instead of August. So, yun. So, this is what's inside. Okay, so, first thing I see is this one. This is the Angel Skin Lightening Bar with glutathione and Giga White. Effective skin lightening formula, paraben-free. So, ayan siya. I don't really like whitening soaps kasi super sensitive yung skin ko. I have skin asthma, so certain soaps don't work for me. So, I don't know. I don't think I asked for soap dun sa sinagutan kong beauty profile. I don't think they follow that. So, ang sad lang kasi I'm not really into whitening and I never said I was into whitening. So, ayan siya. It's a good size for this box, but it's not really one of the things I really wanted to see in the box kasi nga, I'm not into whitening products. Next is this one. This is really exciting kasi it brings me back to my childhood. It is a Lip Eyes Tinted Lip Balm in baby pink. Tapos strawberry flavor siya. So, that's really nice. I've never seen this yet, or I never tried this lip eyes before, pero I've tried other lip eyes and I really like them. So, I also have an Artistry Hydro V product. So, I had something similar to this, or this brand, sa previous GILTBOX, and I really like this brand, and this is the Nourishing Gel Cream. So, I don't really know what that is. Maybe a moisturizer. But yeah, ayan siya. Really nice packaging. So, this is a good one. Next thing is this one. This is a Easy Cures Goat's Milk plus VCO Gentle Hair and Body Wash. Super interesting. So, pwede daw to sa hair and sa body. So, I'm excited to try this one. This is 250 ml. And, yeah. Super nice product to see. Lastly, we have the Milku Underarm and Foot Deodorant Powder. So, we have 3 sample sizes of that. So that's it for my GILTBOX. It doesn't really look that nice, but it's okay. I guess these are really nice. I don't really use them, but I can give them to my mom, and very helpful. I didn't expect this. I think maybe I don't know, bakit pa may Mighty Bond? Maybe it's just like a freebie or something. I really like the lip eyes. And these two are good, but I don't know, it's not my favorite box. Even though they have good products, I feel like they're not really things that suit me. I don't know. We have a beauty profile, but then I don't think it's really getting followed. I still like some of them, and yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you give this a thumbs up, comment below what else you want to see, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!